Shedding tree, the little tree that wanted to grow. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there was a tiny little tree. The tree's name was Tinku. Tinku was very small. His trunk was thin, and his leaves were few. Every morning, when the sun rose, Tinku looked around and saw many tall, big trees. There was mango tree, who gave sweet mangoes. There was peepal tree, who gave cool shade. There was coconut tree, who stood tall and proud. Tinku looked at them and sighed. "Oh, I wish I were big like them," Tinku said sadly. "I want to grow tall and strong. I want everyone to see me." The wind heard Tinku's wish and laughed softly. "Don't worry, little one. You will grow in time." But Tinku was not patient. He wanted to grow right now. The sun's gift. One sunny morning, the sun looked down and saw Tinku. The sun smiled and said, "Little Tinku, if you keep trying, you will grow. Keep drinking water from the soil and take my sunlight every day." Tinku said, "I do that every day, Mr. Sun, but I'm still small." The sun chuckled, "Good things take time, my dear tree. Keep believing in yourself." Tinku nodded sadly but decided to keep trying. The rain's blessing. A few days later, dark clouds covered the sky. It started to rain. Tinku felt the drops of water on his leaves. "Oh, this feels so nice," he said happily. The rain laughed. "Yes, Tinku. Drink this water. It will help you grow." Tinku drank as much water as he could. He thanked the rain and said, "I will remember your words, dear rain." From that day, Tinku loved rainy days. He danced in the rain and drank the cool water. The bird's friendship. One morning, a small bird named Chirpy sat on Tinku's tiny branch. "Hello, little tree," Chirpy chirped. "Hello, Chirpy, you are my first friend," Tinku said with joy. The bird and the tree talked all day. Chirpy sang songs for Tinku. Tinku swayed with the rhythm of the music. But then Chirpy said, "I will go now. The big trees have more shade. I will rest there." Tinku felt sad again. He whispered, "If I were a big tree, Chirpy would stay with me forever." The wind heard this and said gently, "Don't be sad, little one. You will have friends who love you for who you are." Tinku nodded. He decided to stay happy and kind. Dash dash dash. Blossom the helping day. One hot afternoon, a little rabbit came running. He looked very tired and scared. "Please help me," cried the rabbit. "A fox is chasing me." Tinku said quickly, "Come, hide behind me." The rabbit hid behind Tinku's small trunk. Soon the fox came there. "Did you see a rabbit?" the fox asked. Tinku shook his leaves and said softly, "No, I didn't see any rabbit." The fox sniffed around but couldn't find the rabbit. He ran away angrily. The rabbit came out and said, "Thank you, little tree. You saved my life." Tinku smiled. Even though he was small, he felt big in his heart that day. He learned that kindness makes you feel tall inside. The season of change. Days passed. Tinku kept getting sunlight, rain, and fresh air. He talked to the wind, played with butterflies, and smiled at everyone. Slowly, his trunk became stronger. His branches grew longer. New green leaves came out. He didn't even notice how much he had grown. One day, Chirpy the bird came back. "Oh, you have grown so tall, Tinku," she said happily. "Yes," Tinku laughed. "I just kept believing in myself and being kind. Now, Chirpy made her nest on Tinku's branch. The rabbit slept under his cool shade, and many butterflies danced around his green leaves. Tinku was not lonely anymore. The lesson of the forest. All the trees in the forest loved Tinku. They said, "You are no longer the smallest tree. You are the happiest tree." Tinku smiled and said, "I have learned something very important." The mango tree asked, "What did you learn, Tinku?" Tinku said proudly, "I learned that we don't need to be big to be good. If we are kind, patient, and helpful, we will grow in our own time." All the trees nodded happily. Even the sun and rain smiled from above. The beautiful ending. Now Tinku had become a big, strong tree. Many birds built nests on his branches. Children from the nearby village came to play under him. He gave them shade when it was hot. He gave them fresh air when they were tired. And sometimes, he dropped little flowers that children used to make garlands. One day, the wind whispered to him, "Do you remember the day you wanted to grow fast?" Tinku laughed softly and said, "Yes, I do. But now I know that patience and kindness make us truly grow." The wind smiled and said, "You have grown not just tall, but also wise." From that day on, Tinku was called the wise tree of the forest. Every little tree looked up to him and said, "One day, we will grow like Tinku." Tinku would always tell them, "Just believe in yourself. Be kind. Be patient. And never stop trying." The forest became full of happy trees, singing birds, and dancing butterflies. And Tinku smiled every day, knowing he had become everything he ever wanted: kind, strong, and loved by all. Moral of the story: patience, kindness, and self-belief help you grow big and strong, not just outside, but inside your heart.